Hi guys, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I'm really excited to come back and have something to share. I have been crafting, I have been hauling. I just took a break from YouTube and posting for a little bit because life. But I'm here to share a project and thank you for all of your kind messages and just checking in on me while I took my little break. Yeah, and I'm really glad for my first video of 2025 to be of a project. So I did participate in Tony's Carnival Summer Swap, and I'm so excited to show you what I created. And as you can see, I have my little box here that I created, and I really love how it came out. So this is how each of the bundles will be going out. I wanted a little cute storage system, and on the front I use this ribbon only to close the little carnival tent because it is a card. It opens up to my message, and I just attached it with washi so whoever receives this can reuse this. And I just simply embellished it a little bit, and yeah, I added these little knobs on the side to kind of keep the ribbon or just to create little handles for the box. So I love how this came out. This is actually using a I did it designed it in Cricut Design Space, where I used a little tent card, and then I used the KS Craft box maker, which I used for the first time, and I'm really in love with it. So this was kind of the perfect little tool to kind of get my vision out. So I love it. I think everyone should have one, and you can turn anything into a box basically. So let me get into the project share now. So everyone, I think it was submit two, get two back, and of course I made a hostess gift. I'll show you my bows, and I really bundled them out really cute, and I'm just gonna take one out just to show you without the glare. So I created mine with the iridescent acetate because to me, summertime is the iridescent, the holographic, the fun colors. I did use Carousel for this collection, or for this project rather. I was already working with Carousel. It was perfect when Tony announced it. And I just added some sequins. I added this ice cream cone to one of the bows and just left it plain to however you wanted to decorate it. These remind me of the traditional award ribbons. So all you needed was tails if you wanted to add tails. I really just love this bow. It's so dimensional and such a little fun little bow. So we had to do 4 things. I did a little more, I was just creating as I go. So that's my bow. Here's my die cuts, and I have a bunch of fun papers in here. I busted out all of my dies from my collection, so I'm really excited to share this along. I have some goodies. This is my sequence mix, and I did purchase these bags on Temu. And I wanted to decorate the bags just to kind of have a fun sentiment. I did them for all of them. Let's see, this one says Bright Days Ahead. This one says One of a Kind. It has like a smile. And the other one that I have here is Sunshine on My Mind. So I thought this was a fun way to use those like vellum stickers in the packs. It just gives it a little decoration. I have created a bag topper as well. I'm just going to take them out. Well, take this out. Let me take this one out. So I did a shaker element for all of them. And you could see this, like there's fun little sequence. Then I added some ephemera. I have a little ticket, rosettes. And then I used the Hobby Lobby. I love this thing, man. I love the Hobby Lobby pastel trim. It just, the ruffle trim just gets me every time. Added this little heart and did a little stitching attached to a doily just to give it little layers and kind of like softness to it. I love how this came out. I really actually had a fun time crafting with the doilies. I mean, not the doilies, the bag topper. I hadn't created one in a really long time, so it felt really nice to make a bag topper. And all of the bag toppers I created were slightly different. This is the other one. As you can see here, I used another shaker element. This one I used the ephemera ticket to kind of attach the little dangle. I'm sorry for the glare, you guys. I added some fun little puffies. And then this is the other one. Yeah, I loved using the gold animals. I hadn't used those in forever, so this is how this one came out. Super fun. And then I did create a dangle. So I have not made one of these in a while. Just gonna take it out of the bag. Again, all of the packaging is like super shiny and iridescent. So I attached it to a tag and kept it really simple, but you guys, I really had a lot of fun with this. There is a lot of, I think for me, Carnival, not Carnival. The Maggie Holmes Carousel collection is so pastel and like revives you. So I added a whole bunch of wrap beads that I had made, and added a whole bunch of charms and dangles. Let me see. So I got like a little flower charm. I added some, like, what is that? An ice cream cone. I have a little flower. Oh, there's my little, there we go. Sunglasses. And then I added this little bow bead with the hot air balloon on the bottom, and I absolutely adore this dangle so much. And I just think for anyone who loves sensory, like just the jingle jangle gets me every time. So I love my little simple little bead dangle that I created, and that is it, you guys. That is my first video of 2025. I'm sorry it took me so long to get here. I'm gonna put this out here like that. And yeah, I hope to be back with some more future projects. I did create a couple of things that I'm excited to show. I just want to gather and get it collected, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.